Hello, my name is Kwanele Khumalo, and my graduate with honors project is a React application for a real estate agent who is my agent as well and has helped me purchase my home. Um, so the approach to this application was to first build the backend with Node.js and Express.js, which is a Node.js library, and so I can get into the Trestle data through the authentication requirement. And then once I got authenticated, I brought in the data. And then after that, I started building my controllers, which houses all of the functionality for all the listings. And then as well as the mailer controller for sending emails from her website. But on the front end is where the data actually gets displayed. So this is all my views here. I have my style sheets here. I'm primarily using React Bootstrap for all the stylings, but these are for extra stylings and stuff. And then I have my components here with the slider, the nav, the loader here, and then I have the header and get listings and her personal listings housed here. And then in the pages is where I display all the information. So I bring in all these components, and this is what they meet. And then I have my utils folder here with pagination, which is actually a functionality that I'm really excited about because like it gave me a little bit of a struggle. So I did some research here, and there was like a lot of looking around to figure out how to do pagination because I hadn't done it before. I'm excited, that it's actually working. Okay, so now that we've seen kind of what the code looks like, let's land on the front end. So when you land on her homepage, this is what will actually look like, and her personal listings that she listed for her clients will be here as well under the featured listings page. And here's that contact form that we talked about. But if you want to see all of like Montana data and parse through it and like filter, you can either click the property listings or you can just click this button right here. So I'm just gonna click that, and then the data will load. Once it's loaded, I'll have data from all over the state of Montana. You have the city, you have the address and city here, and then you have information about whether or not the property is active. And then you have the number of bedrooms, bathrooms, the type of property, and then the listing price as well. At the bottom, you have that pagination that I was talking about that gave me a little bit of a hard time. You can page through that. Right now, all the data that you're seeing is all over the place. So how about we just narrow it down to just Missoula? I'm able to do that. So I'm able to search through the data and just get only properties in the city of Missoula. And then what if I wanted at least 3 bedrooms and at least 2 bathrooms? So I can do that. I can go here, Missoula, and then I can say at least 3 bedrooms and at least 2 bathrooms, and I can search through that. So now I shouldn't see anything less than 2 bathrooms and anything less than 3 bedrooms. So here's what we're seeing, and then this one is pending obviously, but this one is still active. So you are able to see the status of the listing property as well. So let's go ahead and just click on one of these and see what information we can get. Let's pick this one right here. Then the data will load, and then this landing page right here, the header is actually the image is actually randomly generated. I actually built it that way. And you get all of the data. You have the feature highlights here, and then you have the property details here, and you have additional information here. And then you have the slideshow if you'd like to see more images of the property.